Alright, yes, hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, and my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Welcome, and I would like to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and I hope your Christmas was very good. Yes, and mine too was also very good. So we're just waiting for the new year to happen also. And may the Lord bless you and keep blessing everything that you're doing. So you're most welcome to this channel. If it's your first time to be on this channel, I would like you to make it a point by clicking on the red button, ring the bell, because we always upload videos every week. So this time around, if you can try to look at what I'm doing, is that this is the inward knotless braiding. Sorry, the inward knotless braiding, like the way I always tell you that when you learn how to do this method, it is very nice. So to those ones who are still new, yes, this is how we always braid our braiding, like to make the styles very protective. So this time around we're going to do the branchy braids as usual. I've seen like some people are trying to mistake this one with a COCO twist, but it is not what you think. Sorry, this is not COCO twist, so please let's try to mind the way it is. And if you try to, you're going to see how I'm doing this. It is totally different from the COCO twist, so please don't make this look like the other one, because it is also seen. This one we start like this, yes, and I will also explain why they're branchy braids. So we just add in the extension as you're going to be seeing. So first and foremost, there are some things that I would like you to understand when it comes to this hairstyle. Yes, there are some things that you already see are very simple, and yes, the braiding is simple, the installing is simple, but sometimes there are things that are hidden that you won't understand. Most of the times, how to install, and maybe sometimes how many pieces, and then to balance the style, like to balance it very well on someone's head. You know, like we have those ones with different types of foreheads, those with short foreheads and long foreheads. So you'll find it is also totally different. The way how we need to braid these, that always different. So now, as we are braiding, we just have to make sure that the whole head is filled with our braiding. Like I'm just adding a little bit kinky in the hair to create that strong yeah, like the hair to be firm. And now we're going to start adding our branch braidings on the sides, as you can see. So if you try to look at this, it is just like you just braid and then you twist, like those ones who have remember the milli braids, how we do them. So this one is just on top of the hair, as you can see. Yes, and this is the hair extension. But before, I know that some people always ask me some question is in the videos, yet I always include everything in the video. So let's try to see the hair extension that we are going to be, the one that we are using right now. And I tried to use 3 pieces. Crochet Master.
need a little loving. Boy, I gotta call like a video, Shanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Tomuko no mukugo gumaniche kukura. Kitake wa crochet master. Yakuku kamo vidi kati master. Makeup on a genius. Akukola kono nyuma. Jangu, you a crochet master. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Jangu, Jangu. Crochet Maurice. Maurice.
Yes, so as you can see, I'm just braiding from just branching them. You can see like on one branch I can you can say I'm just crocheting like 2 branches on one book on one portion. On one portion, like the way you can see, there might be 2, there might be 3. It is just according on how you're going to balance the hair. So after adding on that, you just start doing the twisting. But now the twisting is also supposed to be different on how, or sometimes these hair with curls, they have the anti-clockwise twisting and the clockwise twisting. So you'll find when you do it anti-clockwise, the twisting is going to be very neat, and when it's anti-clockwise, the twist is not going to be perfect. So you should also mind that. It's not like it's a must you have to be to use your clockwise twisting is because it's what you used. But if you use that, it means it's not going to look like this. So try it the other way and this way. If you see the twist is coming out, just maintain that. That is how you're going to achieve this. So we have to balance. It is not still a must that on one part you need to put like 3 branches or 2 or 1, but how you're balancing. There's that one you're going to put like 4, and then that one that you're going to put 2, and then another one 3. It's not just a must for you. Just balance the the hair, balance the braiding, so that you can also see that yes, the head is well shaped for that style. So for now, I'm gonna be signing out. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and don't forget our beauty school is open. Yes, you come and register with us. Namor is happy to be one of the instructors that is going to teach you on how to do these all these hairstyles. Yes, so come and register with us. We are located in Tinder Ministers Village. Yes, at Hair by Clippers Beauty School. And yes, I didn't also I'm still caring about those ones who are very far from me. Yes, we have the online class, we have the online courses. Yes, you can also go and search which course you're going to take, and that is hairbyclippersinstitute.com. Yes, sorry, you can go and check and get your course, the one that you're going to take. Yes, you can also learn from online. Very, very nice, and it is really teaching. So for now, let me just sign out. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. May the God bless you all. Happy New Year.
Yeah, a one time, Gangsta. Oh na 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 na. Yeah. Baby Chana, ya pretty Chana. Olabika bulungi uma baby Chana. Okoledwa kaviri gwe koyolesa. Manikiwa pedikiwa nga tabu. Basi bobuviri mwato buliyo. Basi bemisono mwato jiriko. Hair by clippers, we body go. If you wanna trend in style and fashion, balloon daddy. Hair by clippers, hair by clippers, hair by clippers, balling it like expected. Hair by clippers, na 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 na. Hair by clippers, hair by clippers, balling it like expected, it like expected. Yeah. Oh na 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 na, it like expected. Yeah. They want crochet master, a big one. Yeah yeah. Oh na 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 na. Yeah. Hair by clippers. Oh na 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 na. Hair by clippers, balling it like expected. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. Oh no no no. Got those around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongoyaka, yeah. Morris the crochet master did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wansa, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo me, okwana nembaka. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh na 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 na. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master, crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No no no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah yeah. A touch of a crochet master, Morris. Yeah yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master, Morris. You crochet master, Morris. You crochet master. No, no, no. Touch of a crochet master. He's so good. Yeah. Yeah. For the ones that make us smile every day, pour their hearts in all they do every minute. Work so hard for us to be so bold. Stand tall. We appreciate you. We love you. We say thank you. Yeah, we say we are here for you. We are here for you. All our lives we've been waiting for this moment. We need like expected. We're here for you. We are here for you. We're totally not your number. Number one, you know. A big thing this. Yeah. Manobeba number one. Bolichimu bachikola from the art. Obukugu wapulo. The moli muyiga bona bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master movie, he ma run them. Ujemviri bakuwa, balinga high grade kweba soma. All of them are styles, them are do for you. Them are make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. For the beautiful woman, yeah. Come around here, by cheapers, yeah. Hair by clippers fire. Dolina chongaba. Hair by clippers fire. Oh na na. Dolina chongaba. Dolina chongaba. Dolina chongaba. Dolina chongaba. Dolina chongaba. Dolina chongaba. Dolina, yeah, yeah.